Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android using Google Drive. Alright, let's begin. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap on Settings at the bottom right, then tap Chats. Next, tap Chat Backup and select Backup Now to create a local backup. After that, go back and tap Export Chat. Choose the chat you want to export and tap on it. If you want to include photos and videos, tap Attach Media. Now swipe the Share menu and tap on Google Drive. Finally, tap Upload at the top right corner to save the chat to your drive. Once the upload is complete, your WhatsApp messages are safely backed up and ready to be accessed from your Android device. So that's basically how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android using Google Drive. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.